Now, if you look at Indira Gandhi Canal, the most important thing that you need to understand about Indira Gandhi Canal is the fact uh, that Indira Gandhi Canal is, in the beginning, it was called as Rajasthan Canal. Who gave the idea of Indira Gandhi Canal? That is given in the book. Yes. It was given by Kanwar Sen, and it runs parallel from around Pakistan, and you can see it is running 40 kilometers parallel to this. And what do you find? That it has got two types of canals. One is lift canal and one is flow canal. Now, exactly 70% flow canal, right? And further, what do we find? That it says all the lift canals of Indira Gandhi Canal originate at the left bank of the main canal. This means the height of the left is higher and the height of the right is lower. That is why water is flowing down that side. On the other hand, in the uh, on one side, the water has to be lifted up. In lift canal, the water has to be lifted up because water flows in accordance to its height. So that is why Indira Gandhi Canal has got, if you see, it has got stages. I go back to this particular page, and here I can show you that there are stages in this canal. What are the stages? You can see full canal. I canal. This is the canal starting from Bias River, moving like this, Satluj River, and further, as you see, this is how it goes. And what do we see? We call it Gandhinagar Main Canal. And if you see, it's approximately 40-kilometer distance from Pakistan. And he says one particular side, the canal is lift canal, and the other side it is flow canal. Now, which side is lift, which side is flow, also is very well shown here. If you see, under lift, under flow. So under lift, this area means higher in height. All this area is higher in height. The water has to be pumped up because the water has to be lifted up. है ना? Then again, this area here it says underflow. So all the area this side I believe is underflow. है ना? And area this side is all under lift, right? Because he says left and right side, one side is always having lift and one side it is having flow, because water must be flowing from this river. And if you remember, Satluj river is a river from which the water is also is Bhakra Nangal Dam is also on the same river, and the water of this Vyas river also is being used to let this water flow in Rajasthan. And the areas of Rajasthan which were not so fertile have become fertile because of presence of this mighty canal. So because it was made under the leadership of Indira Gandhi, she was the prime minister then, and without prime minister's approval, nothing can be done. And that is why later, in her honor, this name must have been changed from Rajasthan Canal to Indira Gandhi Canal. Yes. Now, further, what do I see? That uh, here, what do we see? It says that it was in two stages. Now, what are the two stages? If you see, you will notice that this is one particular stage being shown, and which is the stage? You see, first stage. Then here it is the second stage being shown. Okay, so there are two stages of this canal: first stage and the second stage. Good. And uh, first stage got completed, and in which year? It says, you can write down here that the first stage got, it was introduced in 1960, है ना? And the second stage receiving irrigation by mid 80s, so 20 years gap. So you can see. And what is CAD? Command area development is CAD. तो जिस एरिया में डेवलपमेंट हुई इस कैनाल के आसपास, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज CAD, कमांड एरिया डेवलपमेंट. तो हम क्या देखते हैं? तो ड्राई लैंड हैज बीन ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड इनटू इनटू इकोलॉजी, इकोनॉमी एंड सोसाइटी. तो वहां की जो ड्राई इकोनॉमी थी उस सारी में चेंज आ गया. क्यों आ गया चेंज? क्योंकि कैनाल ने लाइफ में बिल्कुल चेंजेस ले आया और पॉजिटिव चेंजेस आए. और हम क्या कहते देखते हैं कि लोगों ने जब पानी बहुत ज्यादा यूज किया तो दैट लेड टू सम प्रॉब्लम्स। एंड व्हाट वर द प्रॉब्लम्स? एक तो हो गई वाटर सेलिनिटी। तो अब क्वेश्चन आप जैसे पूछते हैं तो मैं क्वेश्चंस आपको साथ साथ बताता ही जाता हूँ कि एक से है वाटर सेलिनिटी और दूसरा है वाटर लॉगिंग। Okay, so there are two stages: water salinity and water logging problems. तो ट्वेन एनवायरमेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स। आप जैसे आप पूछते हो सर क्या क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, आपको पूछने की कोई जरूरत नहीं, मैं पढ़ाते हुए साथ साथ बताता ही जाता हूँ। अगर आप इसको ध्यान से पढ़ रहे हो तो आपका क्वेश्चन आएगा व्हाट आर द ट्वेन प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल, तो आप कहेंगे जी वाटर लॉगिंग एंड सॉइल सैलिनिटी। क्वेश्चन आएगा हु कंसीव्ड द आइडिया ऑफ इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल, Kunwar Sen, one word. In what was the former name of Indira Gandhi Canal? Rajasthan Canal. What is the present name of Rajasthan Canal? Indira Gandhi Canal. These are one word questions which can come. How much percentage of area is underflow? Then you will say 70% is underflow, and rest is uh, by lift. Understood? So this is how you can understand this very well. Now, what were the crops that were grown in the past? You can see traditionally jowar, bajra were grown, but today wheat, rice, cotton have been grown here. So there is a change in cropping pattern, and the type of crops also have changed. Now, because a lot of water is being used, so the problem of water logging has started taking place. Understood? So it is again the same problem we were talking, that water logging was taking place here. Also, you see water logging is taking place.